Hello! Welcome to my channel. Bear with me, I do get a little flustered on camera. I'm not really that comfortable yet, but I'm getting there, so just deal with it. I'd like to thank you oh so much for getting me to 50 subscribers. It's really helped. Everything that you guys do is honestly what makes this channel grow, and I only make the videos, so I really have to thank you guys. And I'd like to introduce my boyfriend Jeff.
Hi everybody.
And my cat Emily, because she's scratching at the door.
One second.
Yeah, she makes a lot of noises and stuff, but it's her and the other one who's inside right now. That is one of the reasons why I started doing YouTube, because I gotta feed these little poop making machines, and everything you guys do helps them. Look at that little cutie! Yeah. She's getting fat though. So let me know if you want to see anything in particular, like a particular technique, or if you want to see something different on this channel. I do plan on making tutorials in the future, just not comfortable on the camera enough yet, so getting there. Also, I'd like to link my playlist either here or here. I don't know what side yet, I'm sorry guys. And you guys can put it on as you're going to sleep because the relaxation music, and then that way it gives me the view minutes. You don't actually have to watch the videos. If you just mute your phone and flip it over before you go to bed, that works for me too. Anything that you could do with watching my videos, it really helps. I almost forgot. Please share me on all social platforms that you have. Social networking is so important with YouTube. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter and Facebook, which is Sarah's Abstract Expressions, and make sure you follow my Instagram page, which is the Acrylic Pour Artist. Anything that you could do regarding sharing my page, or even sharing the any of my social networking stuff, that would work too. Have a good one. Bye.
I love you. You've been rolling for a while. I want you to feel comfortable. We can.
Oh, have I?
Yeah, I want you to feel comfortable. You can cut it out whenever, like whatever parts you don't want, right? But it's your camera. Doesn't matter if it's rolling.
Yeah, I guess.
There's nobody's watching this.
Yeah.
It's just you and me, okay?
Okay.
And you're making a video for Elaine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I almost forgot. I want you guys to show
Boop.
seriously.
Yeah, it's okay. Keep this laugh and everything going, and just we'll let it go for a few minutes. You can have a good laugh. You got this, baby. I love you. It's okay.
And also follow my Instagram page.
Good effort.
Just okay, try that again. That was going so good.
It's okay.